This is the seemingly outdated bestseller seven-seater Skoda Kodiaq of 2021. I believe a soft goodbye is deserving for the success story it printed in the Skoda history. But did you know Skoda Auto sold 87,209 pieces in 2021 alone to Europe and China, and a total of 600,000 since its birth? It's the Chechnyan company's largest SUV produced as a mid-size crossover, and this Kodiaq is actually based on Volkswagen Group MQB platform, shared with a new generation VW Tiguan Allspace and then the Seat Tarraco. I politely say a lax goodbye to the largest brown bear 2021 Skoda Kodiaq as we welcome the facelifted 2022 Skoda Kodiaq. Hello, guys, and welcome to the refreshed 2022 Skoda Kodiaq. Let's go witness what new Skoda Autos brings to the Kodiaq midsize crossover and why we should spend our hard-earned pennies on it. And as you might expect, I will highlight a few relatable areas as Skoda endeavors to excite us with the upgrades. Now, the latest Kodiaq is a big SUV and modernized design. It has been fitted with new technologies. The 2022 Skoda Kodiaq will be available in broad palette of versions or trims, including the premiering Laurin and Clement version, the Sportsline, and then the RS, the new 2.0 liter engine for the first time. Ladies and gentlemen, let's welcome the refreshed, revised, rejuvenated Continuance 2022 Skoda Kodiaq. Keep an eye on the six-sided radiator grille, which is a lot of focal points, and the 4-eye front headlight. I present to you the 2022 refreshed, facelifted Skoda Kodiaq. We have all seen a lot, and truly we are mesmerized and fascinated. The Kodiaq actually got a LED front headlights that combines with the fog lights to create a four-eye light design, as you know Kodiaq put across. These features, together with a more upright and now six-sided radiator grille, give the modernized car even more adventurous looks than the previous editions. Another distinct change is the modified front bumper that is flanked on both sides by the L-shaped panels. The car also has a wider central air intake and aluminum colored details, and it's a little bit stretched, a few millimeters longer than the previous edition. On the rear, as we saw, we again find the typical C-shaped lights, but these are narrower and more chiseled than on the previous versions. So this is what we have for you. These are the areas we'll highlight for now. AUTOSTOP will add on when the vehicle becomes more accessible to us. Speaking of mid-size crossovers plus options, click on my left top corner for the reveal of the all-new 2022 Mitsubishi Outlander. And I am currently working on an episode of the 2022 Audi Q4 e-tron, which is another big step in the crossover space by the European giants and will be made available soon. So remember to subscribe and put on your notification bell to be alerted immediately the episode goes live. Thank you so much. Have a great time until we meet again same time. Bye bye.